Hello, and thank you for joining me for another home workout, bodyweight workout. Today I'm going to do an ab workout with crunches, okay? Crunches are one of the best ways to really lose pounds around the midsection, and they're easy to do, they are quick, and you can do them practically anywhere. With a chair, I'm going to do them with a chair today. There's quite a considerable amount of variation that you can do with the crunches in terms of your foot positioning, your leg and foot positioning. You can have your legs out far, you can have your legs close, you can have them about midway. You can even do it with your legs out like so, to add a bit of variation instead of together. There's quite a bit of variation. You can do them sort of one at a time, like so, and that, works out your abs also. There's quite a bit of variation with the crunches that you can do, and I'll demonstrate what I'm going to do today. There are different techniques and ways to do them. You can kind of do them all together. Once you get more advanced, you can kind of do them in one workout to add some variation to your workout. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do crunches. I'm going to do my legs out at a far position today. Okay, kind of as far out as I can extend my legs, and then just kind of bring them straight up. And these are pretty challenging. Okay. Okay. My legs are extended out quite far. And I can actually sit back a little bit, but I don't want to do that actually because I want my legs to be as far out as possible. And then to target the obliques, I kind of kick my legs to the side a little bit, I'm working the obliques also with the normal crunch, but if I want to target the obliques specifically, I can also just, move my legs to the side and just kind of tuck them and bring them straight back. Okay? So, yeah, and you do reach a failure point fairly quickly. To add an extra level of difficulty, or to add an extra exercise onto this, what I can do is sort of move the back of the chair, and then just kick my legs up like this. Okay, and this really targets the obliques. Kind of swinging my hips as I bring my feet up to the opposite side. So it's a bit of an aerobic workout at the same time, but it's also targeting my obliques, which can be a real problem area. It is a real problem area for a lot of people, especially, if you eat a lot of high-fat, high-sugar items. But you can still keep the obliques and the abs in pretty good shape if you just consistently, get an aerobic workout as I'm doing now. At the same time, I'm targeting my midsection and in particular my obliques. Okay. So this is, I'm just kicking my legs up and from side to side and also bringing them toward my body as much as possible, swinging my hips at the same time to, just target the midsection. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the crunches. Okay. So again, the chair back a little bit, and all I'm doing is extending my feet out pretty far, and then just bringing them straight back. These can be quite difficult for some people. Because you have to really control your legs. But, just work with your level of whatever exercise level you're at. And then to target the obliques specifically, without turning your upper body, just kind of twist your legs to the side. Like so, okay? And that targets the obliques. Gives you an extra workout targeted to your obliques. And then just work to, you pretty much complete failure. With your abs, you can work them out frequently, even on a daily basis if you want to. If you really want to, you really have a lot to lose, in that area, then it's perfectly fine to if you want the perfect abs, to work them out every day or every other day, whatever you have time for. All right, so let's go one more time. Crunches. Again, I'm just bringing my legs straight up, straight back, and you can really feel the strain because my legs are so far extended. All right, so let's go back here again, and again, just kick the legs up, like I'm doing a little dance back here. Doing a little dance. Okay, and just swing the hips back and forth as I bring my feet up. This is a very, very good workout for the obliques, by the way. Swinging your hips and then kicking your leg to the opposite side. I mean, you will feel it immediately. It's not that hard to do either. It's not even as hard as the crunches. I mean, the crunches can be quite challenging sometimes. But these are easy. I mean, all I'm doing is swinging my hips back and forth and moving my foot from side to side. I can even hold it. You can really feel the oblique, You can really feel the side of it, okay? And it really works out those obliques. You can just hold it, Not putting any weight on the chair. All my weight is basically on the motion. Chair is just there so I don't fall over, Okay, and just hold. Really feel the obliques there, You can also get an extra, I mean, there's so many things you can do for the abs, You can do this one, kicking the foot to the side like so, and then target the obliques. There's quite a wide variety of things you can do to work out your abs to get a nice six-pack and a nice little midsection, okay? All right, so without getting too off track, let's go back to the obliques again. Back to the ab exercises, back to the crunches. And then extend my feet out quite far, almost as far as I can, and still have good form. Okay? My feet are just coming straight up. And straight back. Whew. Starting to feel that now. And then let's get the obliques. Okay. Just kicking my feet to the side and tucking them. Bringing them straight back. Oh. Okay. And that will really target the obliques. You will really feel them, It's good to, with the oblique muscles, you can actually feel them, Do exercises that actually make you feel them, That's the key to losing weight there. Okay. So, reached the point of failure there, so let's go back and do a few more of these. Stay active, stay strong. Okay, again, just swinging my hips and swinging my hips, swinging my hips. Sounds like an Elvis song. Swinging my hips, swinging my hips, swinging my legs up and back and forth. Oh, baby. All right, so anyway, so I'm just swinging my hips back and forth and kicking my feet up like so. And again, you can hold them. It's a really, you can really feel that oblique. As you're doing this, my hip is sort of swung one way, and my foot is swung the other way. Boy, can you feel those obliques? Can you feel those sides? Great workout for the abs. Oh. Put it there. All right. And back. And do some more crunches. One of the most popular themes in And all of the exercise and all the working out is obviously abs. You know, people want good abs because, when you eat a lot, especially high fat, high sugar foods, you know, it goes right to your waist, doesn't it? You know, I mean, everyone hates that fact. My abs are getting pretty tight, pretty tired. All right, so let's go back to this again. Okay, again, hands on the chair. I don't even need to have my hands on the chair. It's just for a little bit of extra balance and support. So I can really, really target those obliques. Hold, you can just hold it there for a second or two. A little exercise in there, get that little extra strain and stretch. Okay. Yeah, you can really feel that. And then to get a bit more aerobic exercise, lift the legs up, work the abs from a different direction. Place. Go back to our crunches again. Stay focused on our main exercise. Okay, we don't want to get too off track. Okay, and then just bring them straight up again. And these are quite advanced. If you don't want to do such an advanced crunch, just do them straight up, or about midways, which is what most people do. I'm doing an extended really far out, which adds, like it's really, it's like lifting a lead weight. Okay, so my abs feel pretty well worked out, but I'm going to go back and do a few more of these because I'm a masochist. All right, so let's go back and a few more of these. Okay, that gives you a pretty good overall ab workout. Pretty tight. And I can really feel my obliques and my abs now. You can just hold that for. Okay. So I'm feeling my sides. I'm feeling my abs pretty good. I'll try this one more time, and then maybe cut it off. Okay. You can, once you start to worry, you can become quite an adrenaline junkie. And you just get used to the high of being having the endorphins going, the adrenaline going. But that can be dangerous too, because you can be injured sometimes. You can overwork out and injure yourself and not feel it for a while because you still have the adrenaline in your body. Anyway, so don't overstrain yourself. That's the message there. All right. Just keep your form straight. Okay. All right, so I think I'm pretty much done. I'm pretty much set with those. So let's, I'll just do a couple more of these to balance it out, or I call it quits. And this will keep burning fat. The thing about strength training is it keeps burning fat for days. Aerobics are great. I love aerobics too. Work out the heart, the lungs. Get your blood flowing, get your arteries, open up your arteries and whatnot. But strength training really burns fat for quite a bit longer, for days after your workout. So that's why you should combine strength training with aerobics. Always. Okay. All right. So I think I'm about done with that. So I'm just combining two separate aerobics workouts. Excuse me, two separate ab workouts. One that includes aerobics, getting the heart rate going, getting a little blood flowing there. So, and it's good to do both. Do your strength training, do your aerobics, for your internal body, for your lungs and your heart and getting your blood going, flowing properly, open up your arteries and things like that. But also for strength training, for burning fat, for getting fit, for getting toned and whatnot, and building muscle on the outside. So it's all important, man. It's all important. Anyway, so this is, I hope you enjoyed this workout. Just remember, it's always good to challenge yourself when you're doing the home workouts, the bodyweight workouts. Combine exercises together, work with the angles, work with the positioning and whatnot. Fantastic. Once you learn it, I'll show you the way. You can do it conveniently and easily at home and get a fabulous workout and get in the shape you want to, at home. Thank you very much. This is Byron signing off, and remember to keep motivated to work out at home. Don't give up. And everybody stay strong out there. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.